everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some tabletop decors, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using 2 of these tabletop decor pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, these are 2 different designs. I am going to start by removing the paper. I'm also removing the sticker from the back. Once I am done, I will be using a piece of sandwich to smooth that out. Now for the taller pumpkin, I will be using this Dollar Tree vinyl. I'm going to trace it out and then cut it. Before I add this, I am going to remove the stem, and I'm going to paint the stem using a dark brown. This vinyl is like a sticker, so I'm going to just remove the back and add this to the pumpkin. For my second pumpkin, I will be painting this. Now I'm going to use this orange and add a little bit of brown to make this a little bit darker. Using a little bit of brown, I'm going to distress this pumpkin and paint the stem. Using the same mixture of paint, I'm going to paint the sides of the other pumpkin. I do want these to match. To decorate my pumpkins, I will be adding bows. For the buffalo check one, I will be using some jute twine. I am going to wrap some jute twine around the stem. Using the same jute, I will be making a bow. And for the other pumpkin, I'm going to use this beautiful buffalo check ribbon and making a bow. I will be attaching these together to make a bigger tabletop, and to glue these I am using hot glue. I do recommend you adding some heavy duty glue like E6000 or super glue. To finish this off, I will be adding this wood grateful sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got it in a little pack, but that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using 2 of these pumpkin sets. Now I'm going to start by taking these apart and removing the paper. Once I am done removing the paper, I'm going to use a sand sheet and sand the letters off of the other 2 pumpkins. Now for the brown pumpkin, I decided to paint it white. Well, not white, more like a beige color. So I am going to mix these 2 colors. For this pumpkin, I will be mixing these two colors and whatever white is left on the paintbrush. For the orange pumpkin, I'm using this color orange and whatever's left over on the paintbrush, like the yellow color. I did have to go twice over these two pumpkins because of the letters. For the fourth pumpkin, I'm using the Dollar Tree vinyl. I'm going to trace it, then cut it. Now that I have my pumpkins, I'm going to glue these together. Now, so they're nice and straight, you do want to use something so you can put it like at the bottom and make sure they're all leveled. Now I'm going to start by gluing the yellow pumpkin. This is going to overlap the buffalo check pumpkin and the ivory. I'm going to glue the orange pumpkin on the other side, overlapping the buffalo check. Now to finish this off, I added little jute twine bows to each of the pumpkins. And that is it. Look how beautiful these turned out. Now I left mine plain like this, but you can add some wood signs. For my next project, I will be using this pumpkin and this fall pick that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by removing the fabric from the pumpkin. I do want to mention the Dollar Tree does carry like a little bit bigger pumpkins than this. They carry a white one that's already ready to craft, or the orange one, which you would have to paint over it. But I didn't have none of those, so I decided to use whatever I had, which was this pumpkin. I'm going to paint my pumpkin like an ivory color or like a beige. So to do that, I am going to mix these two colors, white and this mustard colored. Now I don't have an ivory, that's why I am making my own. Now to distress this, I am going to add a little bit of brown to the paint and just go over the lines. I made my lines too thick, so I am going back over it using the same paint, but this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to cut the stems out of this pick. Now I'm going to just place the stems inside the hole that this pumpkin has. And that is it. Look how beautiful this pumpkin planter turned out. that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.